This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the cloth so changes only affect fabric. Duplicate the layer to preserve the original. Use the quick selection or pen tool to trace the garment because a precise mask avoids color spill. Once you have a rough selection, open select and mask to refine edges, smooth slightly, add a small feather, and increase contrast if needed. Make sure the mask looks clean against a neutral background before moving to color controls, as that precision saves time later. Once done with masking, add a hue/saturation or solid color adjustment layer and clip it to the duplicated garment layer so only the cloth changes. Choose blend mode color first. If contrast looks off, test overlay or soft light and lower opacity to blend. Adjust hue, saturation, and lightness to match fabric type, duller for cotton, richer for silk, and paint on the layer mask to restore highlights or shadows. Make sure to toggle the adjustment on and off to compare and keep natural texture visible. To finish, harmonize the new color with the scene by adding a curves or levels layer clipped to the cloth to restore proper highlights and shadows. If tint feels off, use selective color or open the layer in camera raw to nudge midtones and whites. This corrects subtle casts. If you see haloing or color spill, go back to the mask and refine the edge with a small brush or rerun select and mask. One tip: sample nearby colors to match ambient light for believable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.